Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another video of Fish on Wheels. Today we are going to do a cleaning and makeover job for this aquarium. This is a standard 3 feet by 2 feet tank. Apparently there are 3 filters running but none of them are working, and there are 2 fluorescent lights installed in this tank. Several studies have been done in past and in recent years where it has been proved that keeping aquarium is good for your health. The owner of this tank has a medical condition where doctors have prescribed him to look at aquarium every day to keep his blood pressure under control. Apart from keeping your blood pressure under control, there are other several benefits of keeping an aquarium. Soon I'll do a video on the benefits of keeping an aquarium, and definitely that will help you to learn more about this topic. So let's start cleaning of this tank and hope you will like the video. So keep watching Fish on Wheels. The tank is not in good condition at all. There is too much dirt, the water is dirty, it's almost green, and there is a thick layer of dirt and filth over the gravel. So we have to do intense cleaning of this tank to make it fresh and new again. We will clean the aquarium without taking the gravel out of the tank. We have created siphon with the help of this pipe, and we are constantly tossing the gravel inside the tank to keep the dirt floating in water. While the water is draining from the aquarium, let's clean the glass from the inside. The tank is empty now, and now it's time to clean the glass thoroughly from inside. There are really tough calcium deposits or water stains on the glass, and I'm cleaning it with the help of a sea foam. We have removed that film from the background, and now we are painting the background black. Installing oxygen pump to the tank. So it's time to decorate the tank. We are setting up the tank with the accessories which were already there in the tank. Tank decoration has been done, and now it's time to fill the tank with water. The tank is ready now, and now it's time to put the fishes back to their new and fresh and good looking home. Here is the final look of the aquarium. We added this bubble rod to the aquarium, and we replaced all the filters with just one good quality filter to do the filtration process. The fishes are looking beautiful and it seems that they are enjoying the new setup. I hope you enjoyed the video as well. So thank you for watching. Please do share your feedback in comments.